This is a demo for donor directory for a kiosk at the Toronto Zoo. As you can see, the kiosk, when it is in idle mode, will transition through a number of screens. These are completely customizable. They can be a PDF or a JPEG, and you can upload and preview these before you publish them. And you can publish the content of these to either 1, 2, 3, 4 displays or a group of displays. That's totally up to you. This basically invites your visitors to touch the screen for details, and also it gives you another venue of promotional advertising, whether it's for donations or campaigns. So when the client touches the screen, we are presented with a menu. Again, this is customizable as well. So the first two buttons that you'll see here is basically your donor recognition. So here you can actually find a donor, and you can list it alphabetically. You can search through the list. You could also have associated to those donors an information screen that might be a dedication, or it might have been in memory of someone. You can also have corporate sponsors. These could be your large sponsors, and if you had various categories, you could also have that. So you might have a bronze, silver, or gold, or you might have the categories differentiated by dollar value. And again, here are your information buttons, and you can assign anything that you want to these information buttons. So it's a really great way to give extra recognition to large sponsors and individual sponsors as well. How to donate is an idea where you take Flash and you build, you can extend your menus, create very custom graphics. You can change this at any time. And what I did for the demo purpose is extended the content so you can see that you can put in different ways of how to adopt, promote different campaigns that you're using. And you could actually do a donate now. So if you wanted to at the kiosk, if you click donate now, it could take you to a screen very similar to what you have on your internet. And with a card swipe and a printer on the kiosk, they could actually make a donation and get a receipt while they're there. We also can add additional content. You can have a map, for example, of the zoo, and in this case, depending on the location of each kiosk, it could actually say "you are here." Gives them a little bit more interactive. And this also could be a flash. If they wanted to go to the African savanna and they were here, it would tell them how to get there. You can promote seasonal events such as March break. Again, these are PDFs, they could be JPEG, they could be movies, they could be flash, they could be whatever you want to associate to it. Here's another example of a program that you're running right now, and all I did is take the image that you have and associated it to that button. You can see that this is a background, and during the process of this demo it has changed. Your background is completely customizable as well. I have two images that are circulating, so every time we click on something and we come back, you may find that it'll change. The other one that we had was a butterfly. The other thing we do is, it's not demonstrated here, but we actually have an accessibility option that a lot of other programs may not have already built in. And basically it's a large icon that goes here with an eye on it, and when you click on it, you can actually dynamically increase the size of the font or change the contrast so that those with any kind of vision issues will be able to actually read the directory much easier. There we go, there's our second background. That concludes this demo. I will do another demo that shows you how to maintain this on the administrative side.